Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert a number that is in the decimal base, so base 10, to a binary or base 2. So you see this little subscript 10 meaning that it's in the decimal base. Okay, so we're just going to begin. Notice that it's pretty much a whole number. It's not a fraction. I'm going to do another video on converting a decimal that's in fraction form, so like 42.3 or 42 point something, and then convert that to binary. But first, let's just deal with the whole number form. So what we're gonna do, if we're in base 10 and we're gonna convert to binary, okay? So always when you're in base 10 and converting to any number, any other base, you divide by that base. You divide the number that you have by that base that you're converting to. So we're converting to, okay? So we're going to base 2. We're just going to be dividing 42 by 2 constantly, and then from that we'll get either 1 or 0 because it's going to be in binary, and I'll show you how to do that. So we have 42. We're going to begin with 42, and we're going to divide 42 by 2, and what you get is 21. 21.0. We're mostly interested in what decimal it is. Okay, so 0.0, we multiply that by 2, and what do we get? We get 0. So that's our first binary digit. Okay, so we got 20, and now we take this part, okay? So this part gets multiplied by 2, and then the left part, 21, gets taken to the next round of the dividing. So now we have 2, and then we have the 21. So under here, we're going to be having integers, not decimals. Okay, and then the decimals gets taken care of by multiplying by 2, and you're going to end up with either a 0 or a 1. So 21 divided by 2, you get 10.5. Okay, so 10.5. This 10 is going to go here. We'll have 10 divided by 2. Okay, and then this 0.5, we multiply by 2 like I said, and 2 times 0.5 is 1. That's our second binary digit. Okay, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5.0. 0 times 2, 0. And then the 5 gets taken down here. So now we have 5 divided by 2. And that is 2.5. Okay, and then the 0.5 multiplied by 2, and we get 1. And this 2 right here gets taken down. So now we have 2 divided by 2, and that is 1.0. 2 times this 0, we get 0. 2 times, and then the 1 just gets taken down. 1, and that gives us 0.5. 2 times this 0.5 is 1. And this 0.0 gets taken down, but we're just going to be dividing 0 by a number that's always going to give us 0. So we just stop right here. And so the order is starting from the bottom, all the way from the bottom and going to the top. So the bottom here, we call it the most significant, MS short for that. And the top right here is least significant. Okay, so we start from here, so that means you would write it starting from here and going up, which would be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then on top we have another 0. So it's pretty much 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Alright, and that's it. You can put a decimal here, but not necessary. You got an integer, and if you want to also emphasize that it's in base 2, you could put a little subscript of 2 right here. And that is the equivalent 42 in binary.